Hello, everyone, and welcome. Welcome to Solution Mall. Solution Mall is a global B2B solution delivery platform combined with a professional CRM system. Today, we are not just talking about a procurement platform, we are talking about a new way to deliver complex industrial systems. While traditional e commerce focuses on speed and price, we focus on something very different. We focus on removing uncertainty from engineering integration, and we take full responsibility for every system we deliver. Solution Mall is also an ecosystem. It includes our B2B solution delivery platform, our professional CRM system, and an active technical community. Our mission is very clear: to provide professional industrial products and system solutions and bring everything together on Solution Mall. Over the next few minutes, I will show you how we achieve this through deep product certification, strict process validation, and a complete responsibility loop. Let's begin. Let's start with a fundamental question. In industrial and infrastructure projects, what is the biggest cost? Most of the time, it is not the equipment itself. It is failed integration, system downtime, and the chain of risks that follow. Traditional e-commerce platforms are very good at selling standardized products. They focus on speed, price comparison, and one-time transactions. But when you are building a data center, a smart agriculture system, or a transportation system, you don't need a pile of parts. Now, you need a system that is guaranteed to work together as a whole. On Solution Mall was born for solutions. Our entire business model and platform tools are built around one core chain: technical consulting, system design, validated delivery, and full lifecycle support. We serve professionals who cannot afford failure: engineers, project managers, technical directors. They need a partner who's willing to share the risk. What truly supports our position as a solution driven platform is our strong platform capability. Today, Solution Mall brings together more than 30,000 professional industrial products, and on top of that, over 500 system solutions across multiple industries. But what we are most proud of is not the size of these numbers, it is the depth of the content on our platform. Every solution comes with complete technical documentation. This includes selection guides, engineering calculation formulas, professional system design manuals, and extensive technical materials. This means you're not just getting products, you are getting a ready to use engineering knowledge base that can be applied immediately. Let's look at real examples to understand what a validated solution really means. In smart agriculture, we don't just integrate soil sensors, AI vision cameras, and drones as separate devices. We make sure that devices from different vendors can communicate with each other, their data protocols are compatible, their commands can be unified and executed correctly. What we deliver is a living system, a system that automatically drives irrigation and fertilization based on soil data models, and AI based pest analysis. The result is precision, efficiency, and sustainable agricultural production. In forest fire prevention, the challenge is reliability in extreme environments and a very low false alarm rate. We integrate long endurance drones and high zoom thermal imaging cameras. But hardware alone is not enough. Flight logic, image analysis, algorithms, and emergency communication protocols must work together seamlessly. This system operates 24 hours a day with no human on site and automatically generates alerts and location data at the earliest stage of a fire. These two cases share the same core principle: deep validation of hardware, software, and processes. Once you understand these cases, it becomes clear why true cross-border solution delivery is so rare. This is a system-level challenge. First, deep involvement. It spans consulting, design, integration, training, deployment, and long-term support. It requires cross-disciplinary teams. Second, physical validation before shipment. Solutions must be pre-integrated and stress-tested in simulated environments. This requires heavy investment in facilities. Third, complex logistics, sensitive equipment transport, technical documentation for customs clearance, and localized adaptation go far beyond standard logistics. Fourth, long-term commitment. System life cycles often last 10 to 15 years. This requires a sustainable global support network. Most trading companies and e-commerce platforms do not have these capabilities and are not willing to take on this responsibility. SolutionMall was built specifically to solve these four challenges. In the same way, it is very difficult to find a true online solution platform. That is because standard e-commerce architectures cannot support the core needs of solution businesses. Solutions are dynamic. For example, the BOM of a smart building project can change constantly during design discussions. Each change may trigger configuration and pricing updates. Multi-vendor systems must be presented as complete systems, not as fragmented shopping carts. Projects also have long cycles. From inquiry to delivery, they can take months. The platform must connect all communication records, multiple versions of technical solutions, quotations, contracts, and logistic status into one complete story. This requires an integrated workflow engine that connects CRM, product libraries, configurators, quoting systems, and project management tools. These challenges stop traditional platforms. They are exactly why SolutionMall exists. Our zero risk promise is built on a solid foundation of product quality. This foundation starts with our strict product access and certification system. On SolutionMall, over 30,000 professional products are not simply listed for sale. We carefully select leading suppliers. We evaluate not only visible hardware specifications, but also invisible factors that affect long-term stability, software protocol standardization, material authenticity, manufacturing process consistency. We independently verify every critical performance parameter. So every number in the data sheet is real. That is why when you purchase from SolutionMall, you are not just buying a product, you are buying long-term reliability that we stand behind. This also explains why our pricing may be higher than typical trading markets. You are paying for precision, engineering suitability, and risk prevention. And if any quality issue occurs, SolutionMall is the first and only responsible party. Beyond visible hardware quality, we place even more emphasis on invisible software quality, especially on network security. We require all network-related products to pass third-party cybersecurity certification. We strictly prohibit any form of software bundling that could introduce data security risks. And we also guarantee that all software is genuine and compliant with global engineering and industry standards. As shown in this comparison, we provide more than basic protocol support. We deliver a secure software ecosystem with advanced features and broad integration capabilities. In today's cybersecurity landscape, this level of protection is critical. Problems during on-site delivery are very common in engineering projects, and they are often the biggest cause of delays. It could be an incompatible interface that forces equipment to be shipped again, or software systems that simply cannot work together. So how does SolutionMall improve delivery efficiency? The answer is pre-integration and early validation. In complex projects, the biggest risks usually come from interface incompatibility and software conflicts between vendors. That is why we insist on validating systems before anything is shipped. In our labs and factories, we build a minimal working system using the actual equipment for the project. We perform interface validation and software compatibility testing. This allows us to eliminate over 90% of potential issues in advance. All installation and commissioning documents are then organized and shared with our global local partners. So when equipment arrives on site, local engineers can install and debug the system like building blocks. This dramatically shortens project timelines. We clearly serve two types of experts. For small and medium sized system integrators and value added resellers, we act as a capability amplifier. They don't need to invest heavily in their own labs or R&D teams. They gain access to validated solutions and expert support, allowing them to take on larger and more complex projects. For enterprise technical decision makers, such as project directors and chief engineers, we act as an external reliability guarantee. They use our platform to evaluate technologies, compare solutions, and ultimately choose a partner who stands behind the final system outcome. Our common language is technical parameters, system architecture, and delivery standards because our customers' success depends on reliability, not luck. From initial intent to final acceptance, our procurement journey is designed as a path of certainty. It starts with deep consulting and joint design. We work with your team to define requirements, constraints, and success criteria. Next comes precise selection based on our certified product library. Then comes the core value stage, local validation. In our integration centers, we build a functional prototype system using confirmed materials. We conduct interface testing, stress testing, and simulated operation. This step alone can eliminate over 90% of potential integration issues. Only after passing all tests is the system packaged and shipped. What arrives on site is a system that has already been proven to work. This is why SolutionMall is essentially a professional engineer's workbench. It provides tools designed for complex tasks. Intelligent selectors allow filtering by voltage, interfaces, protocols, and environmental requirements. Interactive design guides use flowcharts and Q and A to guide system design step by step. Embedded calculation tools ensure engineering accuracy, such as cable voltage drop, UPS backup time, and thermal load calculations. An instant document center provides drawings, certifications, compliance files, and detailed manuals with one click. Together, these tools upgrade the platform from a product catalog into a decision and execution system. And in addition, SolutionMall includes a CRM system built specifically for B2B partners. After introducing our e-commerce platform, let me now introduce the second pillar of our ecosystem, SolutionMall CRM. In complex B2B solution businesses, one of the biggest risks is the loss of knowledge when people leave. Critical decisions, technical trade-offs, and custom configurations often exist only in emails or personal memory. Our CRM is built around one philosophy: externalizing organizational memory. It requires key interactions, configuration changes, quotation history, and stakeholder maps to be recorded in the system. This turns customer relationships from personal assets into company assets. Our CRM does not just manage customers, it manages product and system knowledge. In many companies, our product data and solution experience are scattered across spreadsheets and personal computers. Our CRM breaks these data silos. By building unified product libraries and solution templates, your team can quickly reuse proven cases. We encourage one principle: build once, reuse infinitely. Product configurations are designed from the customer's perspective, bundling hardware, modules, and licenses into clear, understandable units. This makes solutions easier to explain and easier to sell. Quoting is a critical step in building customer trust. And a confusing quotation creates doubt. Our CRM provides professional quotation management with one core goal: reduce the customer's understanding cost. It supports multi-version control, clearly tracking every modification. More importantly, it allows quotations to be structured by subsystem. This helps customers clearly see system architecture and value composition. Clear quotations build confidence, and confidence wins projects. Our CRM is an intelligent engine that spans the entire business lifecycle. During quotation, it manages structured, traceable technical pricing. After delivery, final BOMs, drawings, and configuration data are automatically archived. This creates two major benefits. First, factual cost analysis to support better decision making. Second, lifecycle expansion. When customers need upgrades or maintenance, historical configurations can be retrieved instantly. Data becomes long term competitive strength. To summarize, SolutionMall CRM is a professional tool built specifically for B2B businesses. It delivers four core values: end to end process visibility, data driven decision making, standardized workflows for scalable growth, and most importantly, cost accessibility. We provide this professional tool to all our B2B partners so resources can be focused on creating customer value. We believe professional tools should not come with prohibitive price tags. Finally, don't miss our technical community. This is a knowledge hub built by engineers for engineers. Here you'll find deep case studies, industry insights, and practical design guides. You can learn, share your experience, and become a contributor. Every valuable contribution earns points that can be redeemed for platform discounts. Here, knowledge is respected and sharing is rewarded. Everything we do is driven by a clear mission and vision. Our mission is to share proven industrial transformation experience globally. Through digital platforms, we empower system integrators with knowledge, supply chains, and professional tools. Our vision is to become the world's leading solution delivery platform. We believe in quality over speed, validation over promises, and long term partnership over short term transactions. Now we invite you to join this growing ecosystem, register as a Solution Mall member, and receive a $100 onboarding credit. Invite partners through your personal link, and both of you will receive additional rewards. As a member, you unlock full access to professional technical guides and powerful CRM tools. Please visit the link on the screen to learn more and register. Okay, thank you for your time. We know that choosing a platform is choosing a partner. If you are looking for a partner who understands technical challenges, shares integration risks, and stands behind system reliability, Solution Mall is here. We look forward to delivering the next reliable solution together. Thanks, everyone, again.